Hello students, myself Deepak Kumar Verma from Shanti Niketan Jubilee School Motihari. In the previous classes, lecture classes, we have studied many topics from democracy and diversity. In this lecture class, there are some left topics which are also equally important that we have to study, that we have to explain. And they are overlapping differences and cross-cutting differences. Apartheid means a policy of racial discrimination, रंग भेद की नीति. Homogeneous society and migrant, politics of social division, and three determinants of politics of social division. So let us begin our lecture class with this topic, students: overlapping and cross-cutting differences. Students, there are so many types of differences in our society, but all different types of differences can be classified into two different groups, two main groups, and they are overlapping differences and cross-cutting differences. Means overlapping differences actually are those differences which are helpful in the division of society, in the classification of society, and creates deep division in the society. It is too dangerous to accommodate the society. Cross-cutting differences are easier to accommodate the society. Let us see how overlapping differences are seen in the society and how they are responsible to create a division in the society, overall ruin of the society. Actually, students, whenever we talk about overlapping differences, we think about differences where one social group is always in a condition to overlap the differences of other social groups. Because there are two different types of people in our society. Those people who always have a sense to dominate other different types of people in the society by not giving opportunities of development, and always think that they must rule those disadvantageous people in the society. We can take an example in this respect from Northern Ireland, a country, a part of Europe. Actually, whatever happened there, students, in Northern Ireland, for a very long time, two different groups of Christianity used to live there, Catholics and Protestants. But both of them were in two different conditions. Protestants were rich and advantageous, while the Catholics were very less advantageous. Protestants used to just have a sense to dominate the Catholics and not giving resources to the Catholics. Actually, Catholics were feeling just like the people who can't get any positive help in the society. Catholics always used to demand for equal rights and opportunities of development in Northern Ireland, but their demands were all the time denied by the Protestants. They also had two broader demands, and their different demands were the main reason of the conflict between those two different types of people. As a whole, here it has been said that the Protestants were not in a condition to give opportunities of development to the Catholics in Northern Ireland, while the Catholics were wanting all those things. Students, in this respect, I would like to tell you that social division takes place when some social difference overlap with other differences. Once again, social division takes place when some social differences overlap with other differences. The difference between the blacks and whites becomes a social division in the USA because the blacks tend to be poor, homeless, and discriminated in the society. In our country also, it is an example, students. In our country also, we always see or listen to that Dalits are socially and economically backward. They always raise their demands to become better in the society by availing more resources. And our government is also doing the same. But the attitude of the Dalits nowadays in our society is that they are disadvantaged people, and that is why they should be helped too much in the society. Similarly, in different societies also, students, these different types of status of people can be seen, and a group of people thinks that it is disadvantaged and another is advantaged. Another is advantaged. This may happen anywhere in the world. We were just talking about the case study of Northern Ireland regarding two different types of people, Protestants and Catholics, and I was teaching you that the Protestants were benefited group of people while the Catholics were discriminated group of people. Students, here once again I would like to say that both were predominantly Christians, but they were divided between Catholics and Protestant groups of the people. In Northern Ireland, class and religion overlap with each other. If we are Catholics, we are more likely to be poor in Northern Ireland. And if someone is belonging to Protestant, the very person can enjoy different type of status. In Northern Ireland, class and religion tend to cut cross each other. Catholics and Protestants are about equally likely to be poor or rich in Netherlands. The condition is different. Here I would like to tell you, in Northern Ireland, I would like to tell you, students, in Northern Ireland, Protestants were too rich and advantageous, but in Netherlands, the condition was completely different. So here we can say that there was overlapping situation in Northern Ireland where the Protestant groups of people were never in favor to give some benefits to the Catholics. They always wanted that Catholics must respect the Protestants and regard them too much. And that is why the Catholics were in a very disadvantaged condition. So, in Northern Ireland, the condition was completely different, and that was the condition of overlapping differences, where ultimately the Protestants were in a condition to just make their own society free from Protestants. So that was an example of overlapping difference. Overlapping difference is too dangerous to accommodate the society, and cross-cutting difference is helpful in the accommodation of society. Here I am just telling you through this figure. Students, this is Northern Ireland. What happened in the Northern Ireland? In the Northern Ireland, there were two different groups of people. I would like to tell you. Protestants and Catholics. What happened there? Protestants in Northern Ireland were rich, advantageous, had a lot of resources, had better position in the society, and never wanted the Catholics to enjoy the same status. That is why there was a very negative sense in the minds of the Catholics in Northern Ireland. So this became an example of overlapping difference, where the Catholics wanted to make their position separate from the Protestants. Just to see the condition of Netherlands. Netherlands. In Netherlands there was cross-cutting difference. Netherlands. See, here were also the same people, same two different types of people, Catholics and Protestants. These were Catholics and these were Protestants. But the situation was different from the situation of Northern Ireland. Here was cross-cutting difference. What happens in the cross-cutting differences? Actually, I would like to tell you through this figure, students, that the group, the social group of the Catholic people was equally rich and poor, was rich plus poor, and the same status was there with the Protestants, rich plus poor. So the Protestants could not claim that they were poor and the Catholics were rich, and the Catholics could not claim that they were poor and Protestants were rich. So everywhere there were rich as well as poor people in the same status. So there were only a little differences between these two different types of people, and those differences were only a little regarding their viewpoints. So this condition in Netherlands led to the unification of society, and there was not a condition of overlapping, while in Northern Ireland, there was a condition of overlapping where the Protestants used to dominate the Catholics, and Catholics were in a condition to be dominated. So through these examples, we are now very clear, we are now very on the point that overlapping differences are too dangerous to accommodate the society, because there is no mutual respect, there is no mutual benefits, there is no mutual respect to each other, and there is also no mutual status of two or more social groups, which occurred in Northern Ireland. They were also having two different types of demands. One was in favor of UK, just to live with UK, another was not in this favor. But in case of Netherlands, we found that Catholics and Protestants, these two different social groups, were with the same status. Both were equally, either equally rich or equally poor, or either equally rich and poor everywhere. So this condition was in favor of cross-cutting differences and was in a condition to accommodate the society. And in Northern Ireland, the situation was just to divide the society, because overlapping differences were found there. So it is quite clear that differences may occur anywhere, students, but if the differences are full of mutual respect and support to each other, there can't be division in the society. Just the case study of Netherlands was like that. But if the differences are just in a condition where one group of people can't respect the other group of people in any way, that becomes too dangerous to divide the society, and that was found in Northern Ireland, and that was the difference known as overlapping, but in Netherlands the difference was known as cross-cutting. Thank you very much.